Hi YouTube, this is Jashi and today we're back with another Fundrise update. If you're the first time here, I normally do a bi-weekly update about my Fundrise portfolio, which is an app that enables you to start investing in real estate across all of America, starting with only $10. They take your money, invest it across multiple properties where you own a little share, and you get back the share of appreciation and rental income in form of dividends or appreciation of the value of your portfolio. Also, please always remember, this is not financial advice. I'm just a common mortal telling you what's happening with my investment. So in my last video, I told you that I received a notification from Fundrise, which was sent to all the investors, saying that a lot of the appreciation that happened throughout Q4, which was in the thousands of dollars for me, will be paid out in form of dividends. I was expecting a dividend of $1,000+. Unfortunately, as you can see here, the dividend received was of $395. Still very happy about this. This is the biggest dividend I ever received on the Fundrise platform. Now, going back onto the overview, where are we? Last time we were at $36,000, now we're at $36,246. In theory, I should have had another $400 to $600 more because I put in more money. However, that dividend was subtracted, as unlike I used to do before, I decided the dividends will be paid out back to me instead of reinvested. Why? My personal choice. I'm already putting in a lot of money and I like to see some money flowing into my bank account. With that said, $36,246. We have another $400 investment coming up in the next couple of days, which you will see reflected on the next update. Now, in terms of properties, we are 242. So again, we increased the amount of properties. Specifically, if we want to see which properties we bought an expansion project in Tampa with we're projected to build another 48 units, really interesting, as well as a new property in Atlanta, Georgia. Really happy about it. We also added in a rental development in Houston on January 11 and another apartment complex in Houston on January 7. The January 5 property I do not consider, as we already heard about it in the past year. But that said, guys, my daily, let's say, increase in returns has been over $3 fixed. So that's the new threshold we have, over $3. My question is when we will surpass the $4 a day. I hope it will be this year. I hope it will be earlier than this year. I'm still keeping my recurring investment of $400 every 2 weeks, although I will stop having a salary starting from actually last week because I got out of my job, so now I'm officially jobless. With that said, guys, this is all. I hope this gave you some insight about Fundrise. I generally think, you can generally see that I love the platform and I advise everybody to start looking into it, at least understand what it is, how it works, because to me it was a very good way to enter the real estate world and understand how a real estate investment and flipping and rental properties actually work. Again, I repeat, this is not financial advice. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you have a Fundrise portfolio, which one you have, and how it's going down in the comment section below. Thank you guys. Ciao.